Hello guys! Off from work na ako. Welcome to my vlog. Ito yung daan na tinatahak ko papunta at pauwi from work. Yes, dyan. So, ngayon, we're off from work. Done working na. And we're on our way home. So, ito yung daan na tinatahak ko everyday papuntang work. Yan, daming sasakyan. And dito rin ako dumadaan early morning before 8. Yes. Favorite spot ko to kasi merong big ground na makikita. And meron siyang nice view. Nice view din. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel at Arlene Relasyon. Thank you.